Most budget office setup videos are lying to you. They show you the real pretty desk and they skip the stuff that actually matters, and they leave you spending double once you figure out what they've left out, frankly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a real functional home office setup for under $500. And I need to remember dollars because I'm based in the UK and I keep forgetting to use the dollar sign. And I'm going to say, we're going to cover everything: lights, peripherals, camera, everything that actually you need to sit down, look professional on camera and get work done. And yes, guess what? You're going to have a little bit of money left over at the end of it. Here's the thing no one talks about, right? Most people spend their money in the wrong order. They'll drop $200 on a fancy keyboard, which, cool, it feels nice to type on. But when they're on a video call looking like they're broadcasting from a witness protection program, bad lighting, echo on audio, a monitor so low that their neck is permanently bent at a 30-degree angle, it isn't cool. And this is the part that actually costs you, because in today's world, whether you're running client calls, whether you're doing internal meetings or just working remotely, the way your setup looks and sounds is a direct reflection on you and how people perceive you professionally. Think about it, right? You get on a call with two vendors. One is lit well, their audio is clean, you can see their face cleanly. The other one sounds like they're in a tunnel. The lighting makes them look like a supervillain, and every time they move, you get this motion blur. Which one are you going to trust, right, with the contract? In fact, I'll tell you now from experience, I didn't give a Google Ads agency one of our contracts for that exact reason. Your setup is a part of your brand, and most people are taking theirs. Most people are completely tanking their brand without even realizing it. It says prop. Hold up the webcam. I haven't got one.
Point behind you.
Alright, let's fix it. Here's exactly how I'd spend $500 on a setup that actually works. First things first, the desk. $70. We're starting with a really easy IKEA lag tapping desk. It's around $70 in total. It's about 55 inches wide, nearly 24 inches deep, which gives you room for everything without things feeling cramped. There's a reason half the professional setups that you see on the internet are built on IKEA. It's solid, it's flexible, it's value, and lag tapping is absolutely an abomination of the pronunciation. So I'm going to let Scott, my editor, put a picture of it in here. Next step, the chair. $64 for a decent chair. All right. We've only got $500 budget here, so there needs to be a few trade-offs. The mainstays ergonomic office chair comes in at $64. Lumbar support, breathable mesh back, basic adjustability. Is it Herman Miller? No, but it keeps you comfortable for a full working day, and that's what matters at this budget. The expensive chair can come later. We can do that bit later. Next up, monitor arm, $36. This is one that I always push people to include, even on a budget. A monitor arm frees up desk space, gets your screen at eye level so you're not hunching, and instantly makes your setup look much cleaner on camera. I use the Huanu arm and I've used it for years. I've had it holding up one of my 32-inch monitors. Their entry-level arm's around $36 on Amazon, and it supports up to 32 inches, so don't skip this bit. Next bit is lighting, $35. Lighting is the single highest impact upgrade most people ignore. A monitor light, we use the Qantas, I use it in my other office. It's about $35. Sits on top of the screen, lights up your face, lights up the desk evenly, and creates a zero glare on the monitor. No ring light standing up on a stand, no harsh overhead shadows. It's what separates I look like I'm working from home from I know what I'm doing. Next bit, cable management, $20, right? Piece of piss. Cable management, you can get it from Amazon. I've had mine for years. Cable ties, sleeves, adhesive clips, routing channels. There's an honest reason. Like you try and stay away from clutter. If your desk looks chaotic, then it's carnage. You know, you can see it on camera. It's an absolute mess. Clean it up. Next up, desk mat, $20. A faux leather desk mat with cork backing. It doesn't slide anywhere. It covers the whole keyboard mouse zone, protects the desk, ties the whole thing together really nicely, really visually. Keyboard, $60. Keytron K8 TKL. Say that after a few beers. $60. Gasket mounted, sound dampened, great stabilizers. Features that used to cost $150 now cost $60. Sounds good on camera. It looks great to type. It feels great to type, and it looks clean. Plastic body, yes, But at this price point, it's the right call. And then you've got your mouse. You can do anything, $10 to $50, depends on you. If you're into productivity work, the Amazon Basic mouse is $10. It's fine. If you want something that feels a bit better, has a bit more precision, you can spend $30 to $50 on a Logitech. I like my Logitech one. Either way, you can be a bit flexible on that. Final one then is the monitor, $150 to $200. This is where the remaining budget goes. It's also the most personal decision. If your work is to document heavy spreadsheets, word processing, emails, $200 for a decent display actually makes a difference to your eyes and over a long day. If you work more visually and your time is spent on video calls where refresh rate matters, use something that is nice on the eyes. A dedicated monitor with video as well is massively important when it comes to this side of things. And that's it. That's the basics of a home office. This is stuff that these are must use when it comes to being professional in your home environment. But if you want to take things to the next level and deck out your office with professional AV equipment, you can configure your own meeting room using the link below. If nothing else, just check it out anyway. It's a configurator room, design your own meeting room. It's pretty cool. So go check that out. Go and design some meeting rooms. And that's it. Home office ticked. You can have the cleanest personal setup in the world, and the moment you walk into a meeting room within your office and the AV system breaks, it falls apart. You get your dropped calls, you get screens that take 10 minutes to connect, the audio feeds back every time someone talks, and that's what's actually costing businesses right now. That's exactly why I put this video together. Go check that out and come and subscribe. Enjoy.